Let's get our viewers some breaking updates now coming in. Post the state election results, the markets have opened in the red. Sensex is down by 340 points and Nifty by 100 points. Apart from that, there are, of course, Middle Eastern tensions as well that could have added to this. Let's go across to my colleague Ashesha joining us on the broadcast with the details of the impact on the markets. Now, remember, Iran has also hit targets in the UAE. So what we're looking at in the markets could also be a result of the tensions. Now, after a lull that we saw, now the United States has also warned Iran that there could be an escalation of tensions. Is that the reason why we are seeing this impact on the markets? It's the day after the election results, yes, but also there are global factors as well that could have contributed to it. My colleague Ashesha joining us with the details. Ashesha, explain to us what we are seeing in the markets today.
Well, yes, Indian equity markets are under some bit of pressure in today's trading session, with Nifty declining nearly 0.3% in trade today. So we are sustaining near that 24,050 odd mark for the Nifty 50. Now, remember, in yesterday's trading session, we had seen a big jump up. In fact, Nifty ended 1%, 0.5% higher in trade yesterday, above that 24,100 mark. So after yesterday's uptick that we saw today, we are seeing some bit of profit booking. And remember, Indian rupee is also at a fresh record low versus the US dollar. So several global factors which continue to remain at play for Indian equity markets, with rupee at a fresh record low, oil sustaining above $105, $110 per barrel. Indian equity markets are under pressure today. Sensex 2 is down about 200 points in trade today, and we have Nifty Banking Index which has shed 220 points in today's trading session. So yes, clearly after yesterday's jump up, we are seeing some bit of profit booking for Indian equity markets today.
Okay, all right, Ashesha, thank you for joining us with all those details. Now, all of those updates, and of course, there's a much bigger story apart from what we saw in Tamil Nadu, the numbers that have come in now, and every other state as well. You can see all of those details and more on timesnownews.com. Details of what's happening after the elections, is the day after the elections, and of course, the tensions in the Middle East as well. On that note, we're slipping into a short break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.